When it comes to plant pests, it can be really hard to deal with them. We are dealing with azalea lacebug, and it is all over our azaleas. And we have a lot of azaleas. I think we have 8 or 9 azaleas, and they're right next to flowering trees where there are constant bees. So we wanted something that would kill the azalea lacebug without hurting the bees or other beneficial insects in our area. So Safer Soap is an excellent option for that, and the Safer Soap concentrate in particular is really great. This is 1 part per 50, so you don't need that much of this, and this small bottle will go a really long way. I did 1 gallon of it, and it got all my azaleas in one go. Now the trick with concentrate is that you do need a pressured sprayer, but once you get that sprayer, this will last so many times and it works so easy. I just put it in the bucket, pump it to pressure it up, and then spray away. Now there are tricks to using insecticidal soap, specifically that because it's not some heavy-duty, terrible, toxic insecticide, I do need to put this on once every 7 to 10 days for quite a while since my infestation's so bad, and preventatively in the spring. So great.